Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. This is gonna be our first video in the series of Vedic Mathematics. Before starting with today's session, let me thank all my friends, my colleagues and my all viewers who support me a lot on my first video. I'm happy that you like the concept and you are sharing your love. Thank you so much for that. Also, I got some suggestions, mostly were related to video and audio quality. So point is taken and definitely I'm going to work on them, but yeah, it will take some time. So far, I will continue with the setup that I have. So with this note, let's start with the today's session. So once again, I will cover the technique that I shared in my first video and then I will move towards the second technique in this video. So let's start. Here I am taking 3-digit number 105. Now I have to find the square of it. Same technique. I am writing this number once again here. First thing first, I have to multiply 5 by 5, so that becomes 25, and then I have to multiply this 10 by the next number. So after 10 we get 11. So 11 tens are 110. So 11025 is the square of 105. So that's pretty simple. Now let's have another look on the different number. So our next number is 115. Now for understanding, I am writing this number once again to perform operation, and I have to multiply 5 by 5, so that's become 25. Now I have to multiply 11 by the next number, and that is 12. So I have to perform multiplication of 11 and 12, and that is 132. So 13225 is the square of 115. So this is the technique, pretty simple, you can follow and use for all the numbers which are ending with the 5. So with this note, let's conclude on this technique and we will see to the next technique. Now let's have a look to another technique. This technique is a kind of extension to the technique what we see right now. But to perform this technique, there is a certain thing that has to be taken into the consideration. So what is that? I will explain it on the board. So this technique is limited to the number which follow certain pattern. Now what is that pattern is? Let me write down the number and I will explain to you. I have written two numbers here, 43 and 47, and I have to perform a multiplication of it. So what is the condition? So condition is that the sum of unit digit numbers has to be 10. So 3 plus 7, it becomes 10. And the remaining part except unit digit places has to be same. So here you can see this remains the same, 4 and 4. So this is the exact number which is following what the condition we are talking about. There are other numbers too. Just to understand, I will write on the board. Let's say 46 and 44. The sum of these two numbers is 10 and remaining parts is the same. There is another number, let's say 72 and 78. So the unit digit number calculates to the 10 and this remaining parts is the same. So this is applicable for the 3-digit numbers as well. Let's say 112 and 118. So 28, that is 10, and remaining parts is 11, which is common for both the number first and second. So pretty much clear about this condition. So this condition has to be followed by applying this technique. Now let's take 2-digit number and then we will see 3-digit number as well. So first thing first, you have to multiply 7 and 3, so that becomes 21. And then you have to multiply 4 by the next number, and that is 5. So you perform a multiplication, 5 4s are 20. So 21 is the multiplication of 43 and 47. That's all. Let's have another look with a different number. This time I am taking 3-digit number. So 8 2s are 16, and then I have to multiply 11 by its next number, and that is 12, and 12 11s are 132. So 132 16 is the multiplication of these two numbers. So this is my humble request to all my viewers. Please start practicing these techniques in your regular methods while solving your problems, and this will help you over the period of time. I hope you like this technique as well, so please don't forget to share with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel, and please stay tuned for upcoming videos. So take time, be safe, be healthy. See you soon. Thank you so much.